If you look at any attractive guy, there's 6 common facial features that make them attractive, and the great part is these are facial features you can change. For example, a defined beard line. See, if you're able to grow a beard, and by the way, even if you're not, you can grow a beard. I've done multiple videos on how to do that. But when you do grow a beard, your max priority is getting the right definition on your beard. See, when you have a beard, what you're trying to do is make it look as thick as possible on your cheeks and create a clear distinction between the bottom of your jaw and the start of your neck. If you get those 2 aspects right, you're going to look like you have a thicker jawline, which makes your face look more masculine, which you know will make you look more attractive. The mistake most guys do, though, is that when they start growing a beard, they either cut down on their cheeks way too low to the point that it's a chin strap, or bring their beard line way too high that makes it look like they have a double chin. 2, low set eyebrows. See, an attractive thing that most guys have, if you look at almost every attractive guy, is that they have like this low set gaze. It makes them look more mysterious. It makes them look more of like a badass, right? This is something you can achieve through your eyebrows. So if you have thick eyebrows, you've already won. All you gotta do is maintain and trim. And the easiest thing to do is trim on top of your eyebrows, not underneath. In other words, any little hair that's outside the eyebrow's natural shape, you're going to remove. Now keep in mind, you don't want to over pluck here because you don't want thinner eyebrows. You want to keep them as thick as possible. Your goal here is to make them low set. This will make your gaze look more dominant, and if you practice good eye contact, you're going to be attractive. 3, clear skin. It doesn't matter how genetically gifted you are. Even the most genetically superior guy, if he has craters, acne, irritation, redness, blotchiness on his skin, automatically unattractive, which is good news for you because that means that the opposite is true as well. If you deal with these things but are able to get clear, perfect skin, you're going to automatically make yourself look better. So your main goal should be to have a skincare routine. I've showed you mine multiple times. You need the basics, right? You need an exfoliator, you need a face wash, and you need a moisturizer. Those are the basic 3 steps. If you want to take it a step further, get an SPF. Now, this can get complicated because you need to find the right one for your skin type. In other words, the brands that I use might not work for you. That's why I love our sponsor, Geology. See, with our sponsor, Geology, you're able to get a custom set for your skin type and your skin needs, which is exactly why you need. If you're sitting there thinking, yo, Jose, I've done skincare systems before and it never works, well, that's probably because the products that you're using are generic. And see, everybody's skin is unique. I could have oily skin, you could have dry skin. You could deal with acne, I could deal with dryness. Everybody has different issues to deal with, and with Geology, if you guys click the link down below, right now they're going to be offering you a 70% discount for your first month. And when you click the link and sign up, you're going to get to sit down and talk with a skin professional that's going to look at your case, see what you need, and then develop a custom system that gets delivered to your door right when you need it. So no more testing out and no more using generic products that don't work. If you want clear skin, I want you to check out Geology. Again, it'll be linked down below. They're doing a 70% off sale for your first month, which is insane. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. If you guys want to check it out, click that link down below. Number 4, a fresh haircut. See, a haircut has the ability to change the appearance of your face, which is why I get a haircut at least every 2 weeks. Once I'm rolling into week 3, week 4, I'm already looking like a bum. And at minimum, if you can't afford a haircut, at least go in for a lineup. Just a fresh lineup. I've showed this in the past. See, when a barber lines you up, you've probably seen them, right? They'll look, they'll make sure it's straight. What they're basically doing is adding symmetry to your face. And since everybody's head shape is asymmetrical, mine is, yours, everybody has oddities. What they're doing is trying to make your lines look as straight as possible to work against those oddities. So when you look at yourself in the mirror, you just see symmetry, which is what makes you look so attractive. 5, white teeth. This will change the value of your face. See, white teeth are just a symbol of good hygiene and great genetics. And the easiest thing you can do for white teeth is to wear white strips. You can get these at your local store. They're not crazy expensive. I think you can buy a box for like 20 bucks and do a white strip a week. I promise you, after about a month of doing white strips, they take about 10 minutes. The trick is right before hopping into a shower, brush your teeth, put on the white strip, go through your shower routine. By the time you step out, you're done. And I promise you, after a month, you'll have pearly whites. Finally takes us to number 6, your lips. You want plump lips. You want them to be red. See, when situations are being aroused and things are getting sexual, the first area she's gonna look at is your lips. And you'll notice it. If you've ever been close up with a girl and things are getting hot, she's looking at your eyes, she's bouncing to your lips, and it's going back and forth because she's thinking one thing. But if those things are chapped, you ruined your game, bro. This is why when you're brushing your teeth, grab your toothbrush. Those little bristles, once you clean off the toothbrush, you can use to exfoliate your lips, which does 2 things. 1, it'll remove all dry skin, which is needed. But 2, it'll bring fresh blood onto your lips to give it that red plump effect. Boys, that's it from me today. Those 6 things will make you look like the man.